2 people, 2 pups, 2 boats, and 2 ways of savoring life. Through the hard work of restoring our Heavenly Twins catamaran, and through the adventures we take and places we visit on our McGregor 26X. Our channel takes an easygoing, lighthearted approach to enjoying life, one bikini at a time. So if you're up for some sailing and other fun, then we're happy to have you aboard. We post new videos every couple weeks, so hit that subscribe button and we'll see you here next time. And also check out the links below. We have extended videos on Vimeo, and we also have a Patreon page. Thanks to everyone for watching. Previously on Sailing and Fun, we got super lucky and spent some time in some of the bluest water we've seen in the Keys. It's not typically like this, not this turquoise color, so we had a blast. Spending some time on the beach and also doing some sailing.
You're looking this way and then you turn and you look out and you go, oh, completely speechless. Oh my goodness.
So if you watch our channel, you know we love the wildlife in Florida and really everywhere we travel, and this was such an amazing experience. If you are washing your boat or washing out your dishes or clothes or whatever, the manatees come up to the marinas because they're looking for fresh water, so they'll try to drink right off of the docks there, and you get to experience them. These animals get over 400 pounds, with the largest on record being over 1,600 pounds. And the best time to see them is from November through April, with a real population swell from December through February. So if you want to see them, make sure you go in the winter. These animals often get injured by boat props, and sometimes there are signs posted that let you know that the manatees are in the area, but even if they're not, just be cognizant, be aware, especially when you're going through shallow areas where they like to hang out. Be on the lookout for them because we don't want to injure these gentle giants. You ready to set sail?
Here's an example of I had a new camera and I hit the wrong button due to the glare on the screen and the sun. I wanted to give the viewers some more blue water sailing.
Everything but the water is blue in this clip.
It's the Blue Man Show.
The Blue Crew.
The Blue Crew.
Popping and locking. Sailing up towards Isla Morada, Marathon and Isla Morada. Key Largo, Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Charleston. It's like 80 degrees, but there's a 16-mile-an-hour cool wind. 20-mile-an-hour gusts today. Something like that.
Wait for dead ahead. This one under. Thanks, Cal.
I usually sleep in the V berth, but the Mac actually has a lot of nice sleeping areas around it, and this time I did need to move my bed to the dining area, and this is why.
So in a moment of
Clarity?
weakness, mental weakness, I thought it would be good to modify this locker for a larger anchor. So I opened up either side and did all kinds of stuff that I regretted. We ended up getting an anchor roller, so we didn't need to store a large anchor. And evidence of my bad decision is still haunting us today with leaks getting past the fiberglass. It drips on your...
Because I sleep in the front berth. We'll have to show you the evolution of our sleeping. We used to both sleep in the front berth, but the captain's 6'3", I am 5'7". Those are pretty tall people for the V berth.
So anyway, I'm going to level off any unevenness with Bondo. Hardwood.
I gotta stop trying to wear these glasses.
This will be the new base of the anchor locker. I'm going to coat it in epoxy, and then I'm going to lay fiberglass on top of that so it'll be watertight.
Really? How much was this, each of these thingies?
40 something.
40
Both.
something for both of them?
Yeah,
And how much of it do you anticipate using for this project?
all of it.
All of it? What the hell? Having to spend $80 to repair it?
I don't want you to get wet when you sleep.
I was dry before you did all this. Are you planning on fiberglass in the whole boat? This is a ton of fiberglass.
My spare roll.
It's your spare roll. 1708 biaxial.
Yeah, so it has a mat here and it has 45, so it's super strong. It's like 3 layers of fiberglass in one.
Okay. I mean, I'm glad you're fixing it, but what a waste of time and money.
Thank you.
Well, I'm happily installed in the V berth again, and the table is open to chart our course. But first, we'll do a little stopover on Sandbar. The captain loves to show his McGregor, the extremely shallow draft on it so he can pull the boat up to just about anywhere. Our hearts are full of appreciation for our very generous patrons who make this video possible, and thanks to all of y'all for watching. Take care, and we'll see y'all in a couple weeks.